November retake, foundation, paper 1, F. Question 1. Change 365 centimetres into metres. Now, in order to do that, I need to remember that there are 100 centimetres in 1 metre. So, I need to divide 365 by 100. 365 divided by 100 equals, and you have a calculator, so your calculator will do that for you, 3.65 metres. Question 1b, change 2.7 kilograms into grams. Well, I'm going to write down, just to help me, that there are 1,000 grams in 1 kilogram. So I'm going to times this by 1,000. 2.7 times by 1,000 equals 2,700 grams. 2,700. Question 2. This one is so common to get wrong. The actual answer is we have to use BIDMAS for. So if I use BIDMAS, I've got BIDMAS. Are there any brackets? No. Are there any indices? No. Is there division and multiplication? Well, there's no division, but there is multiplication. So I do my multiplication first. 7 times 10 is 70 plus 2, which becomes 72. And that is our real answer. A lot of people would have done 2 plus 7 is 9 times by 10, but we know that the multiplication section has to come before the addition. Okay, y divided by 4 equals 10.5. So something divided by 4 is 10.5. Questions like this really test your understanding of the type of question rather than just understanding a method. So at the moment, that's y divided by 4 equals 10.5. I need to work out what y is, so I'm going to times both sides by 4. Times by 4, I'm left with y equals 10.5 times by 4, which is, you have a calculator, but it's 42. Next one, a couple of different ways you could do this. Something plus something equals negative 7. You could have had negative 9 plus 2, so negative 9, negative 8, negative 7. Or you could have had, what else would we have had? I think that's it actually. Yep, negative 9 plus 2. Question 5. Here are the first 4 terms of a sequence. The rule to continue the sequence is multiply by 2, then add 1. Work out the 5th term. Well, there's the first one, there's the second, there's the third, there's the 4th. And it says multiply the previous term by 2, then add 1. So the 5th term is going to be here, and I multiply this one by 2. So I do 23 times by 2, and then add 1. 23 times by 2 is 46, then add 1 equals 47. Okay, question 6. A lot of us get confused here and we tend to struggle. All measurements are in centimetres. The total length of the 5 rods is L centimetres. Find a formula for L in terms of A. Okay, so the length is equal to a formula. So we want something that's equal and we want 2 bits that we don't know. Length is equal to A minus 1 plus A plus A again plus A again plus A plus 4. I can get 1 mark for doing that. I'm going to simplify that. So I've got L equals, right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5A, take away 1 and add 4. So L equals 5A take away 1 and then add 4. So negative 1 add 4 is 3. So it's just 5A plus 3. And what a lot of people do here is 5A take away 1 is 4A. But if you look, I'm not taking away an A, I'm just taking away 1. Okay, so L equals 5A plus 3.